Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday, we spotted a huge 2 million share print yesterday on USO at $11.58. Always going to be bearish below. This was a fantastic short. And check out what the high of the day was yesterday. 11.57, never went above that print. I got about 4 trades off this guy. It was definitely a little bit slow, but fantastic. You need a little bit of patience. And that leads me to the trader of the day. Goes to Keith, aka Kiki. This guy called it out in the morning. In fact, he knew I was going to use it for the whisper of the day. And I love the learning process. I love when I see my traders get to that point where they can find the whisper. So thank you, Kiki, for calling it out as well. And I'm really, really happy that you are progressing the way you are here. Also yesterday, told you to watch GDX, right? And I told you to watch that print level. Remember, $14.46. I was only going to be bearish above that print. And look what the high of the day was. Coincidentally, $14.46. These stocks love to test those big print levels. And you can see they were still selling it there. So today I'm going to be bearish on GDX. That's one of the whispers. Below 14. Now, 14.08 was another big print level. So if she falls below the 14 level, then it will be a good short on that guy. And then again, bullish above 14.50. So definitely use those 2 levels. Also, Home Depot was one of my whispers a couple days ago. Finally making a move. If you recall, we were bearish below 133.84. That's where the print was. A close below 133. So keep your eye on this guy as well. So yesterday, we had a pretty crazy volatile day, right? My traders were rocking it. Harish had fantastic trades on UPRO, the VXX. A lot of my traders were trading the volatility. Gush, Nugget, Dgaz, great trading. The Cowboy, fantastic trading. Cowboy had some great calls on PE, SWHC. He made $1 on that. MW, fantastic. Ron, of course. Fantastic call outs yesterday on the spot. He was trading it back and forth on that. And Celeste, great trade on the VXX swing, by the way. So Cousin It, in our trading room, she adds up all the dark pool prints every single day, and she posts this up the next day. And we thank you and appreciate you for that. Look at where the prints were yesterday. So we had 7.5 million at 205.38. And we had 16 million at 205.86. So we're going to be bearish below these levels. We may come up and retest them. That's always a great shorting opportunity. But definitely bearish below those guys. Wasn't too much on the Russell and the Qs, but the Qs are starting to heat up on the short side today. You can see some late, smaller, dark pool sell prints on the Qs. Let's just put that chart up here. Yeah, these guys have definitely been the strongest. But there's more room to go on the downside to get to about 111.42 is an old print area, so it would not shock me to see that. And also the Russell, the IWM. Remember those weird, freaky prints we spotted the other day at 112 and 113? Well, guess what? We're headed in that direction. So what are we watching besides the main indexes? Well, I got my eye on SUNY today. There's definitely quite a bit of volume coming in on this guy. And I like where it's placed in the chart. So I'm going to be bullish above 437 level. You can see most of the volume came in around 431, but I like the 437 level. And there's a lot of room to go on the upside. 450 is a great target on that guy. And pretty much going to wait and see. I don't really see too many prints coming in, but yesterday we saw some gigantic prints on the XLE. This is the Spider Select Energy Fund. And the prints were at $63.25 millions. So going to be bullish above, bearish below, and you can see we're below that. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.